Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making this a small video about the Euro-Aussie pair and the way I traded this pair since yesterday and today, and the trades taken as I said. So let's get take a look in this. I posted on my Telegram here, right? That let me show you here. Okay, so on 22nd, right, April 22nd, I posted it's a EA making a short, right? And lately, as you all know, that I made this expert advisor robot, right, and it's working beautifully. And all I have to do is just put it on the chart. So now this one, for example, what happened here is that EA once I have like this weekly chart, Euro Aussie weekly chart, right? So direction, once I determine the direction, I tell I do webinars and I tell my subscribers that this is what you expect on this pair. It's gonna go down or up or whatever, and then what we do is that, for example, like I was showing you that okay, I says, well, if it stays below this level, and if we get the short setup, we'll take short. Or if it goes above this level, and if we find a long setup, we will take it. So EA was making a short, and then I took this short as well. And the reason that I post here, like making a short, making a long, that means that I'm taking this trade myself. It's like a signal, but indirect signal. Now, another thing that I post later on, that EA might be going for 64.35. That was the ultimate target, right? And you can see here that was different, right? Okay. So after that, here I posted again that EA might be going for 64.35. That's the target, right? And this is the first trade. I opened that, I said EA making a short setup. This was the setup, and it started to go down, right? And then I says I will close this at as to around 165 for 70 pip, right? That was my target for that day. Then we'll wait for another entry in the next day London session, right? So what happened to this chart? It came down and it hit a little bit more to the downside, and it hit the target and 70 pip. So I closed this one, right? And I also post that it's time to look for longs in yen pairs, right? We will take a look at that those yen pairs later. But this was hit the target, and I supposed to wait for another entry in London session next day. Then that happened, and then you see here EA making short. That was on, if you see, it was on the third 20 April 23rd, right? These were the trade. The first trade was this. It closed for 70 pip. Then the second entry was this. The first was this. It went up, made the another entry, as I mentioned in the Telegram, and then I took this entry and it came down here. But I also put that this pair might be going for 64.35, right? 64.35. And what happened to this? Eventually, later on, let me go back there. See that? So and EA, and then I also posed that EA short entry I already made, and SL move to 10 pip risk. Initially it's 15 or maybe 20, and then I move a little bit more as it goes in my direction, right? And then finally, this was the entry, and later on I posted my trade here for 110 pip, and it hit exactly. It's I think it's up here. Let me show you. You see that? This was the second entry in the session, and straight down to 64.35. I mentioned in the Telegram, I posted that okay, it is going for this number. This is the target. So when it hit the target, I closed this one here, and I also took the 7-minute entry from this. What this is? This wobble. It's a 7-minute entry, 7-minute chart entry. Let me show it to you. Here, you see that? That's the little wobble there, and the 7-minute entry. Yeah, sell order is right there, and this was the entry all the way. This is 95 pip, going for the same target. This wobble here is 64.35. Okay, so I had this 3 trades. This one short, this one short. That's 70. That's 110. and then 95. Okay, so that's almost 270 pips in 2 days. Only this pair, by the way. Now you saw me saying that taking look for long in. Let me show you. Look for longs in yen pairs, right? Let me show you since yesterday how many yen pairs. April 23rd, right? In only April 23rd, long entries on April 23rd, right? This one. This is not the, but this is the one. This is 70 pip, euro yen, pound yen, 115 pip, Aussie yen, 135 pip, all the same day, today, 23rd. CAD yen, 55 pip. That's it. So 4 yen pairs I got, and you saw the amount of pippage. And I posted that, yeah. Why? Because the yen index was going to the upside. And all of these trades were taken by the EA. EA is working beautifully, but you must understand this trading game as well as my system and these charting, these Renko chart setting, because that EA, my EA works only with this system. All right, but it works beautiful. All you have to do is to find the direction and then put the EA on. Let me show you how you do that. Let's go. Okay, okay, this one here, EA. Let's say, for example, this is a 20-minute chart. I don't have the EA here, right? So let me show you how the EA works here and the settings. EA live, right? So this is the one. And once I know that this thing is going to drop, so I will put this on and then look at these are the values. You can only put the short only, long only, and then SL is always 25 pip. Always. The setup requires 25 pip SL, not more than that. And take profit, usually I have, 500 and up. And move to break even plus once the trade goes in your way. It moves the SL automatically. You can select here, whatever. I have 25 pip. So if I make the entry here, it comes down here, 25 pip, and SL pop automatically and comes on a break even and sit here. Just in case if it reverses, I don't lose anything. Right? Lot size you can select here. Alarm, if you want the alarm, also beep the alarm. Alarm to beep. So when the EA takes the entry, that's it. And threshold and all that, these are extra settings in this. And then that's it. So like I said, once you decide or determine the direction that, okay, this pair is going to go in that direction, then drop the EA short only, and then that's it. Once the setup is there, it will open the trade. It will not open any trade randomly. It must open the trade with the conditions, 4 conditions. Once they are there, look at that. This yellow is below the black. This indicates all the way to the upside, turning to the downside. This one, this one, this one, this one, same conditions. 2 more conditions, and then it opens the trade. Similarly, on the 7-minute chart is also the same kind of setup. See that? Yellow is below the black. This indicator all the way up, and then the other 2 conditions and drop. Boom, 95. All of these yen index, yen pairs are also this. Even Nasdaq. See this little arrow? It opened by the E right there. And see right there. Now what happened here? Yes, it opened the trade here. It went up. My SL move and come and break even, it takes it out with no loss. Then again, the setup builds and it opens up and then goes straight to the upside, right? All of these, CAD yen is like that. This one, see this, there was no long setup here. This one, see this arrow? Okay, backfire here, right? 25 pip. But later on, how much I got? This. So the losers are there, very few, first of all, and whatever it is, either 25 pips, sometimes 15, sometimes 10. Most of the time, I get out on break even. But the winners are the big one. Winner covers every single thing. This 135, this 115. So, and then you need to know that when to close the trade. Very easy to open the trade, right? Find the entry and open the trade, but where the heck it is going and how far you can hold on to it. That is the key. So bottom line is that the EA, if you want to get the EA, you must learn my system and you must know the trading business. And that's why I recommend that whoever wants the EA, I mean, I get a lot of inquiry and then I have to say no because they're not my subscriber. But now I'm going to explain that if you do this one-on-one coaching, then you learn the whole business with me. Harmonic pattern, agile wave, SNR level, my system, trend lines, every single thing, Fibonacci tool, how to use it properly, extension, expansion, retracement, right? All of those numbers and everything, and then those patterns, Gertle, butterfly, this, that, and pinpoint the turning points. If you are able, then after taking this course, then you will be able to pinpoint the turning points on a higher time frame, like a daily or my 40-minute chart. And after that, put the damn EA on the smaller time, like 20-minute or 7-minute chart, and it does the job automatically. Even if you are sleeping, it will open the trade, move the SL, this and that, blah, blah, blah. Leave the target open. When you get up, if you are out, put the EA on. It's going to take the trade is running. When you come back, you'll see, and then, and I also teach how to find the target. Very easy. If not, if you don't learn that, that is the key in winning in this business. How to find the target, how to keep the trade open for the maximum amount. Each pair or each instrument moves differently and it has different daily range. So you must know where is your entry and how far the daily range and how much the daily range is left for the day. And only until then you can hold the trade. You cannot hold the trade hoping 200 people, 300 people. It's going to come back and then hit your SL. No big deal, right? Market goes up, down, up, down. But when it's going to the upside, you get in and the same day you get out. My style is on a daily basis, hit and run, open and trade the same day. Very few times, in a week I hold the trade for the next week, but 90% of my trades, same day trades. Right now, this is the last thing that I'm going to mention. That if you sign up for one-on-one, right, I will give you first 10 people, 15 people. My son suggested that if people sign because of this video and you watch the video and then you sign up for one-on-one coaching, I will give you this EUR-AUD here, which is, let me show you. See this? You want to go and watch this video as well. And this is the warning that if you're not subscriber, you're not going to get it, to be honest with you. But that you subscriber means that you must learn the system, otherwise you wouldn't know how to use it, right? So this is this E is like 80% automatic, but 20% manual. You cannot leave this E on the chart all the time. You need to learn much that what is happening. There is a bigger time frame setup, and then you put it on the 20-minute chart and let it do the job. And here, this is the cost of it, right? So if you sign up one-on-one and learn this business and this strategy and my system and everything, you get this for free. I'll give it to you for free. But because, I want you to, success in this business, and that's it. You learn the business, you get the EA, and you're on your own. All right. So it's going to be for limited time, so take advantage of that. And just wanted to let you guys know. Before I go, let me show you that this EA opened this one. See, this is one gold. This is a what the heck is that here? Okay, this is a okay, forget it. This template. So this, see how many trades today? Not today. I mean Monday and today, Monday and Tuesday. 23 trades, 23 trades all together. Every single one of them is opened by the EA, the gold, NASDAQ, S&P 500, oil, and all these forex pairs. Every single thing. This so far since yesterday and today, I have not opened any single manual trade. I don't think so. Maybe one or two, maybe. Right? I don't remember, but maybe if there is any. Other than that, every single thing is opened by the EA. Very, very easy. If you play by the book, that's it. Even this one, okay. So like, see, I remember that I opened something manually. This was opened manually. Why? Because you see, the setup was there and the trade opened here. Well, the EA opens the trade, the first or second blue candle, and it opens up the trade. For example, here, see this? Right there, the first blue candle and this arrow here, that's that trade open. And here similarly you see right there this little arrow open the first blue candle and it opens the trade, and it plays the SL right behind here, right there. This is 25 pip. Always. The distance between the entry and the SL is always 25 pip. And here is the built-in value that, when I put this there, I select stop loss 25 pip, stop move to break even 25 pip, and target. You can set up the target for 100, 80, whatever, or leave it open. I leave it open normally. I know which pair goes where and how much. I calculate my target based on the daily range and all of that, and then I decide to when to close. Some I close 40 pips, some not 40 but 50, 70, right? And some I hold that for 135 Aussie yen today. You see that? This was 2 days, by the way, not 1 day. Okay, so this was the entry. It didn't move much that day, but then came into this day and boom, it gone. And then this one and this one. So that's how it is. Just wanted to share with you guys. And again, maybe 4 or 5 days, maybe the whole week, this option will be available. If you sign up for one-on-one, you get the EA, $800 EA free, and you will learn not only every single thing about the forex trading, not forex trading, but every single trading, every instrument you can trade profitably after taking my course. Okay, and then obviously you will learn to use this EA as well. It opens. It works on every place, every single thing, but it has to be MT4, by the way. Okay, I am trying to make the version for other platform, but right now this is my system, and this EA works only on MT4. Okay, I'm currently trying to convert this for TradingView, but have not done yet. But maybe in the future. But for now, it's for MT4. Okay, so this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys that this is what's happening. Oh, I have this newsy one. Newsy also for 50 pip. 5 trades. Look at the gold. Opened by the EA. Right? Pound USD. Pound USD video I made yesterday about Pound USD and Euro USD, that they are going to go up, and I'm going to take the entry, and I'm going to show you my entry, and this is one of them. I'm still waiting for the euro. Euro is not moving. It's only 35 pip profit. So that's why I'm not making the chart. See, this was opened by the EA as well. Buy orders right there. Right, this little arrow. Open the EA, open this, and then from here to here, 55 pip. Already closed. I'm waiting for another entry, and then in another session I'll see. All right, so just wanted to share with you guys that this is what's happening, and in just 2 days, 23 trades by the EA, working beautifully. But you must learn how to use it first. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. If you're interested, email me. Talk to me first before you do anything. All right. Okay, so I can make you like a discount button, special button. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.